Well, hey there, JC, and hey there, traders. It is Thursday. Again, I'm Matt. He's JC with Empire Algorithmic Trading, here to bring you your daily dose of VWAP Vision's Stock Talk.
It's where the volume weighted average price helps us make sense of the market, Matt. So let's get right to it. Time for a little stock talk.
Hit me with it. Well, Jace, it's been a crazy week, a wild week, a fun week. Green zone is at our door. So let's dive into it, see how that green zone is doing. What did the market do today?
A little hot PPI kind of spooked the market a little bit. The S&P opened up down, was looking pretty ugly for the rest of the day, but it ended up rallying, closed up positive on the day. Nasdaq Composite, similar look, was not able to close positive, but again, opened down, rallied up, closed above its open. Small caps, not a great look. That's not your favorite look when they just break out, but two tremendous days from small caps. And again, a pretty bullish look though when you intraday on an intraday basis as they opened up, sold off hard, rallied up into the close as well. And then same thing with the mid caps. Same thing, opened up down, sold off hard, and then rallied into the close. And then the VIX actually rallied, or I'm sorry, bonds came down a little bit that's fine, right? Bonds are good. We don't want any big sell-offs in bonds. And then the VIX is what I meant to say, rallied up a little bit as you would expect with everything kind of selling off a little bit. But for the most part, pretty happy with the look of the session. Just the fact that it sold off in the morning and then rallied in the afternoon. That's what the exciting looks talk about.
Yeah, and those mids and smalls really came back with some higher volume on both of those too. So kind of fun to see that, which is nice. So
Yep.
well, that is the general market conditions. I'm excited to get to the next section where we talk about some of our big movers on the day. And again, all of these big movers are brought to you by our Patreon, patreon.com/Empire Algorithmic Trading, where you can get access to our daily algorithmic buy and sell signals. Most of these charts that we're going to talk about next have hit these signals at some point or another. So let's jump into it, Jace. What did the movers do? Where are they moving? Where are we going?
It was a pretty quiet day on the upside. There were a few decent moves. Reddit was one
Oh,
of the good
yeah.
ones, up 3.7%. Stock is just continuing to roll.
Those stair steppers.
ALNY, talk about continuing to roll. I mean, that
Yeah.
one, it's just up another 2.3% today. Let's see, that closed at its first breakout at 263.24, currently at 442. Pretty nice run there. Bloom Energy continues. This was a bullish look. This is another really strong one. Opened up down, rallied big throughout the day, ended up 2.3%. On the downside, earnings continue to just crush stocks.
Oh, no.
ISSC. This one it was rolling. It flashed a really kind of a late two extended buy signal here. I actually made a note last night, past two extended, and then it just got walloped today, down 30% after
Wow.
earnings, almost 32%. Coherent, it also got crushed today,
Oh,
down 20, yeah, a little under 20%.
look
Pretty
at the
glad I sold some shares right
volume.
before earnings. Huge volume, massive. I just have a little bit of shares left. Basically, my profit on the entire trade. So took a little bit of a hit. So I don't know. I'm just gonna see how that one reacts moving
Yep.
forward. ALMU again, just another reason why the breakouts, especially when they're a little extended like this. Breakouts that reverse, that come right back down to earth after starting off strong. Why you usually want to step out of the way of those. ALMU down 15.7%, clear failure there. And then Ubiquity, another one that kind of surprised me. It almost got me back in when it shook me
Huh.
out originally back here, and then it started coming back to life, and I was thinking about buying it back. It just felt like I was chasing it. So I
Mm.
decided to just wait for some better signals. I didn't really want to chase anything, and I'm glad I didn't. It sold off hard, 13.8%. So a lot of really wicked downside moves, some pretty quiet upside moves. But overall, on the indexes, the overall general tone of the market was actually pretty bullish, all things considered, with the intraday action. So it's going to be interesting to see how things shape up for the rest of the week, and hopefully we get some continuation and some more momentum going into tomorrow and next week.
Exactly. Well, hey, everybody, that is it for us with Stock Talk today. Thank you so much for watching on YouTube or listening on Spotify. Make sure to like and subscribe on both of those and rate and review us. Help us bump up in the ratings there. If you want, follow us on all social media, Facebook, Instagram, X, Blue Sky, where we give away some free trader tips. We also give away some freebies of the week of stocks that we're watching that maybe haven't quite hit the charts yet, but we're pretty excited about how they're building up. Otherwise, you can get all of the goods over at Patreon. Patreon.com/Empire Algorithmic Trading is where you get access to those daily algorithmic buy and sell signals. You get access to our error reviews where we talk about what stocks are about to hit the charts. You also get to hear Jason and I tell you a little bit about how we use these signals in our trading strategies and access to our cool group of traders. Again, Empire Algorithmic Trading over on patreon.com. And if you just want to know more about us, who we are, what we do, go to our website, VWAPvision.com. That's VWAPvision.com. That being said, Jace, I can't wait for error review today. And happy trading, everyone.
Happy trading, Matty. We'll see you in a little bit.